Hi, Jagan.
Mm. Hi, ma'am.
How are you?
Good, ma'am.
Okay. So this is Aruna from Quality Department, Jagan. I just want to take a feedback from your side. So congratulations for your placements.
Thanks, ma'am.
Can you introduce about yourself?
Yes, ma'am. I'm Jagan Reddy from Nandyal. I completed my graduation in RGM in 2023. I completed successfully and got a place.
So, who referred you to join CMTI?
Our HOD referred me to join CMTI.
Okay. So, what and all you learned in your interior design training?
In CMTI, I learned SketchUp, AutoCAD, and Cutlist. They told very good for us.
So, what about your trainers and all, Jagan? How was their approach? Whether they were clearing your doubts and all?
They approach very well, ma'am, and they teach me very good.
Okay. So what about Ashok sir? How was his thing in the training?
He is good man and he will motivate us many times.
Fine. So what about CMTI app?
Same time, it is very helpful to learn many things, man. When we miss classes, we listen from that app also.
Okay. So what about staffs of CMTI? How was their?
Staffs are very good, man. They will respond very nicely and they will ultimately very clearly about schedules and all about.
So finally, what do you want to say to your friends and juniors?
If they want to improve themselves, they will come to this CMDA, and if they want to improve themselves, they will come to this institute.
So thank you, Jagan. Thank you so much for your feedback. So all the best for your future.